Let's study 9th standard physics 4B sums. We'll do sums 1, 3 and 5. Sum number 1. Convert 1 millimeter of mercury into Pascal. 1 millimeter is 0.001 meter divided by 1000 SI units. Density of mercury is given 13.6 into 10 raised to 3 and G's value is also given 9.8. 10 would have been better. So we multiply this. I borrow the 1000 to shift the decimal places. This becomes 1 and 13.6 into 9.8 gives us this answer. Show the calculations. Now the third sum. Whenever we climb a hill, air pressure decreases. As our altitude increases, the density of air and the pressure of air is less. In this question, they have mentioned that for every 120 meter rise or ascent, air pressure decreases by 10 millimeter. And the actual decrease was from 76, it fell down to 70. So what is the difference? 6 centimeters. So difference in pressure is 6 centimeters, which is 60 millimeters. Now we will use unitary method. They said if the difference in pressure or the fall in pressure is 10 millimeter, the ascent is 120 meters. But the actual fall was 60 millimeter and I converted to millimeter because this was in millimeter. Then what is the actual ascent? Cross multiply and we get the answer as 720 meters. So that means there's a hill and when we climb up to 720 meters, the pressure fell down to 70 centimeters. Now the fifth sum. Assuming the density of air to be value is given 1.295 kilogram per meter cube. Find the fall in barometric height, that means air pressure, at a height of 107 meters above the sea level. So we'll start off with pressure of mercury, that is a fall in pressure of mercury is equal to a fall in pressure of air. We've done such a sum in the previous exercise as well. H rho G is equal to H rho G, G cancelled. But the height is asked of the mercury in the barometer. Density of mercury SI unit already given. Height in air given 107 meters. And density of air is also given in SI units. So now we just have to solve this to get the value of H1. But since 107 was in meters, we will get the height of mercury also in meters, SI unit. But they mentioned get the answer in millimeter. How do I convert meter into millimeter? Multiply by 1000. So I did it in the beginning itself. So it was going to come in meters, but if I do into 1000, this gets cancelled. So I'm left with this. How to get rid of decimals? Shift 3 places, and then that's a very heavy calculation. It's a very long calculation, but I did it in a jiffy because I'm expert in this. And I got 10.15 millimeters, which is not mentioned in the textbook. The textbook answer is wrong. Change it. It's 10 millimeter, but actually it's 10.15. But we shouldn't, up to 2 decimal places, we should always solve. Hi students, this is AJ sir. If you like this video, press the like button. If you would like to enroll for my online test series or online lectures, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.